Hello everyone, my name is Junaid Talo. My student ID is 5017282. Today I'm going to give a video presentation on data science HD1 task. So this the topic of this task is the analyze YouTube videos data from the news publishers. So for this task, first you need to copy the setting from the collect.ipynb file. So I already done this and run them successfully, and then install the necessary libraries for this task. So I already done this, and when I was let's move to the clean and prepare the data. So when I was doing this task, I faced lots of errors. So about like the PD in the PD is not defined, time zone is not defined, that date time is not defined. So I in the clean and prepare the data section, I implement the libraries again and run them again. And so yeah, so move to the question. The question is what is the monthly distribution of the positive, negative, and negative, and neutral sentiment in the video title and comment from January 22 to January 2020 to 2021. Use visualization to answer the question for different publishers. Okay, so for this task, firstly, convert publishers at and comment data columns to the data frame and make them time zone hour. So okay, so for this task, here we're using the pt dot to data frame function for the from the pandas library to convert the published ad and the comment published ad and comment data, yeah, comment data columns in the videos and comments data frame respectively to determine objects. Setting UTC equal to true makes this date time objects time zone hour, which is important for consistent time calculation and comparison. So define start and end date for the data analysis. So this lines created so these lines create date time objects representing the start and end dates of our analysis period, which is from January 1, 2020 to January 1, 2021. Filter the data for the specified period. So okay, so here is the code for that. We are filtering the videos data frame to include only rows where the published ad falls within the specified analysis period. Similarly, the comments data frame is, yeah, says the comment data frame is filtered to include only rows where the comment data it falls within the same period, and then apply the get sentiment function to the video title to get the sentiment. So this is the code to get this sentiment. So here here the apply function, the apply the apply function is used to apply the get sentiment function to each element in the video title column of the video filtered data frame, and to each element in the comment text column of the comment filtered data frame. This function assign a sentiment category, positive, negative, or neutral, in the bracket, to each title and column comment based on their texture content. Hmm. Then so the extract video year and month from published at and comment data date columns. These lines group the filtered video titles and the comment by month and sentiment category using the group by function. The size function this yeah so the size function computed the number of occurrence for each group, and unstack function refresh yeah, so the unstack function and reshapes the group data to a pivot table format, making it easier to visualize and analyze. And these lines create a bar plot to visualize the monthly distribution of the sentiment in video title and comment separately. The kind equal to bar, yeah. So the kind equal to bar parameter it specifies the type of plot, and staggered stacked equal to true stacks the bars for each sentiment category within a month. The x-axis represents different months, and the y-axis shows the count of sentiments. Sorry. So the x-axis represent different months, and the y-axis shows the represents the count of sentiments. That's it. So during this the observation shows that both in video title and comments, neutral sentiment determined throughout the observed period from January 2020 to January 2021. This suggests that on average, the content of the videos and the discussions in the comment tend to be neutral in sentiment during this time frame. Observation 2, this category consistency in the distribution of sentiment over the month. This despite flux fluctuation in the number of videos and comments, the proportions of positive, negative, and neutral sentiments remain relatively stable across different months. This stability might indicate a consistent trend in the sentiment expressed within the content and discussions of the platform during the specified period. So when I was doing this task, I faced lots of error or like challenges, like different type of errors. But I solved these errors by analyzing them, like to most of the errors related to the installation, like most of the functions are not defined. And yeah, so I solved them by observing them, and I took help from the lecture slides. And yeah, thank you for listening.